Hello guys, I am Roosevelt, and in this video I will be showing you step-by-step way to create the dollar texture effect in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so I have my models image over here, and then we'll be turning this model into a dollar texture effect. So to do that, first press Command Shift U if you're on Mac, but then if you are using Windows, it's Control Shift U. So I'll press Command Shift U. After pressing those keys, you get something like this. So with this active, just click here and then add a solid color. So with the solid color, the color has to be pure black. But then with the pure black in the color picker, just change the B side, which is the black side, to 50% and then click on OK. After doing that, right click on your color fills layer and then convert it to smart objects. Nice. So now that we've been able to convert our color fill into a smart object, what we do next is to go to filter and then select filter gallery. Right here, select the half-tone pattern. Then let's set its size to 5%, and then let's set the contrast also to 5%. And then with the pattern type, select the dots. Once we are done with the half-tone pattern, left click on this plus icon to add a new effect layer. But then this time around, you know that we already have the half-tone pattern, so we are not going to do it again. Now let's choose the tone edges. With the tone edges selected, let's set its image balance to 24, and then let's set its smoothness to 11, and let's set its contrast to 1, and then just click on OK. Alright, so with this done, what we have to do is to change the blend mode for the color fill. So to change its blend mode, left click here. So change it from normal. Let's change its blend mode from normal to hard mix. We'll be having something like this. Nice. Then with the color fill still active, go to filter, distort, then select 12. Over here, set the angle to 143 degrees and then click on OK. Now let's zoom in again, and then you see that the dollar texture effect is already active in our image. So you can see that we have the dollar texture effect already on our image. So now let's finish it by adding our gradient map. So under adjustments, just add a gradient map over here. Then left click here once and double click on the first color. So now let's give it a color code of 284224 and just select OK and then OK. Now when we zoom in, you see that we have our dollar texture effect ready. So this is how to create a dollar texture effect in Adobe Photoshop. If you really enjoyed this video, kindly like, comment and then share with others. And also, in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. See you in the next video.